Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today, I'm here with a platform which pays people who have no skill and who have no money to invest. All you need is a smartphone and few minutes of your day to earn up to $250 from this platform named, as you can see on the board, is prolific.com. This is one of the most popular and legitimate survey platform that people are using these days to earn money online. And let me tell you, unlike many survey sites that pay very little, Prolific is known for academic and research surveys from universities and companies. So let's understand the process to earn money from Prolific in four steps. Step one, you need to create a valid profile. So, first of all, you need to visit the official website of Prolific and create a free account on it. After this, you will be asked to complete your profile, and you have to complete your profile. And let me tell you that the more complete and accurate your profile is, the more surveys and opportunities will pop up on your profile. So this is step number one. Step number two is to wait for survey invitations. Once you're done creating your profile, you will start receiving surveys. And let me tell you that each survey shows estimated completion time, paymented amount, that you will be receiving after completing the survey, and requirements to complete or do the survey. So this is step number two. And the step number three, you have to be careful while completing a survey. You need to be careful that, let me tell you that this is where many beginners make mistakes. They just rush through surveys without paying close attention to the questionnaires, because if you fail to answer attention check questionnaires, your account quality will fail, and what this will lead to is that in the future you will not receive money surveys, and this will decrease your chances to earn more from Prolific. So you should take time and answer the questions properly and honestly. So in the step 4, you'll be getting paid. Once a survey is approved and submitted, money will be added to your balance, and you can cash it out your balance after you reach the withdrawal threshold. Now the question is like, how much can I earn in a month? Well, if you are in